Welcome, welcome. Take a seat, take a seat. Wow, wasn't expecting so many people today. But it's a good thing you're all here because I've been drinking juice. It's just delicious. It's so sweet and yummy, 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 and it tastes like apples, but, well, hiccup!
Did you see that? Hiccup! Oh, goodness! Every time I burp or make a hiccup, there's a fire! Oops! Oh no! Burps and hiccups! Burps and hiccups! Hiccup! Hiccup! I better hold my breath to make it stop! Oh no! A fire! I don't know what to do! I need help! Mom! Mom! Hiccup! 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 How do I put out the fire? Mom! Lucky! What's the matter? Why are you yelling? A fire, Mom! Burps and hiccups and now a fire! I don't know what to do! Okay, Lucky, stay calm! I'm calling the fire department right now! They will come and help. Just stay away from the fire! Fire can hurt you! I'll stay way over here, Mom. I have an idea! I know! My bowl of slime! Maybe that'll help put out the fire. Oh no, it's too hot! Mom, I have slime! I can help, but it's too hot! It's not working! Lucky dear! You'll help by staying away from the fire! The fire department is on the way! I know! I have a new idea! Maybe a box of bugs will put out the fire! Oh no! All of the bugs are flying away! Oh no! Oh no! How about rocks? Maybe they will put out the fire. I have lots of rocks in my cave. Big ones, little ones. I just don't know! Wee-oo, 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 wee-oo. Wow! Thank you so much! That was a close call. I tried slime. I tried bugs. I know fire can be dangerous. And it can hurt. So I'm sure lucky you came and put the fire out. I'm so lucky.
It's my job, friend. I'm glad it was easy to put that fire out with good old water, so nobody got hurt. It's nice to meet you. My name is Firefighter Dave.
I'm lucky.
Yes, you are. That fire could have really hurt you. Now, what's your name?
Lucky.
I feel lucky too, to meet a new friend. Now, what's your name?
My name is Lucky! Lucky, 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 lucky! Lucky, 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 lucky! Lucky!
Oh, ha 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 ha. Sorry about that. Hi, Lucky.
Are you a robot? Or a spaceman?
Well, That's a funny question. No, I'm a firefighter. Definitely not a robot. Why do you think I was a robot?
Not a robot, eh? Well, you've got a big glass eye and a giant head with tubes coming out of it, big weird clothes, and clumpy boots. Seems like a robot to me.
Oh, that's not my head. Look. It's my helmet. It's a very hard hat I wear when I'm helping put out fires. It protects my head while I do my job.
Wow, that's so cool. You just took off your head.
It's just my normal head under here, Lucky, and my normal face under this mask. I wear this mask to breathe when I am helping put out fires. I carry my own fresh air in this tank, so I don't breathe the smoke from the fire. Smoke is bad for you, so you don't want to breathe it.
Wow, that's even cooler. What about the giant body, though?
This is my special coat I wear when I am helping. It's very thick and protects me from fire, just like you probably wear a coat when it rains to protect you from the water and cold weather. And my boots protect my feet if I have to walk into a house or building that is on fire.
Wow, you're just a normal person under all that stuff?
That's right, Lucky. Firefighters are just like everyone else, and we are helpers. It's my job to help. That's why if you are ever in trouble, or there's a fire and you see us in these big clothes and masks, you don't have anything to be afraid of. We're here to help.
Wow, Firefighter Dave, you have a great job. Can I be a helper too?
You bet, Lucky. We all need more helpers like you and our friends out here. I could teach you a few things about fire safety if you'd like, so you can be an even better helper. Would you like that?
Yes, that would be great!
Oh, Lucky. Well, you know what fire is, right? I just came with my hose and water and put out the fire from your dragon hiccups. Fire is very hot and can hurt, so we always want to be sure kids stay away from fire.
I was scared of the fire you put out, Firefighter Dave. I didn't know what to do. Slime and bugs were no help.
One thing to be sure to do, Lucky, is to call a grown-up if you see a fire. They will know what to do and call us, the fire department, if they need extra help. Always let a grown-up know if you see danger. They will be sure you are safe and protected. Who are some grown-ups you could call right away if you saw danger?
I would tell my mom and dad.
That's great, Lucky. Who are some other grown-ups who might help? Maybe our friends out here have some ideas. Who could we ask for help if there was a fire?
Teacher? Firefighter? Police? Principal? Grandparents? Aunt? Uncle? Who else?
Fantastic! Those are great answers, and they can help in an emergency and call us at the fire department so we can protect everyone. Now, Lucky, here's another thing to learn. Do you know what smoke is?
I think so. It's long and green and slithers on the ground and goes tss.
Nope, Lucky, I think you're thinking of a snake. But smoke is something that goes along with fire. It's usually black and gray and looks like dark clouds rising up from the fire.
Oh yeah, I know smoke. It smells really bad. It makes me cough like this.
Smoke Smoke does smell really bad, Lucky, and it's not good to breathe in. In fact, that's why I wear my mask and carry fresh air in my tank, so I don't breathe smoke when I'm fighting fires.
I wish I had my own tank of clean air too.
Well, here's another tip about smoke, Lucky. So you can get clean air if there is smoke in the room. You see, smoke rises. It goes up, up, up toward the sky. And it stays up at the top part of the room, way up here. We don't want to breathe any of that bad smoke. So where do we want to go?
Far away.
Sure, we want to get far away fast, but there is a special way to do that to get to safety. If you or any of our friends are in a room filling up with smoke, we go down low, because down here, by the floor, is where the good air stays. So we get low and go very, very fast out of the room. To stay down low, we crawl. Do you know how to crawl, Lucky?
Sure, even babies can crawl. Watch.
Fantastic! That's great crawling, Lucky. Do you think our friends out here know how to crawl low too?
Let's ask them.
Great idea. Do any of you know how to crawl?
Wow, Firefighter Dave. I never imagined we would have so many great crawlers. We can all crawl low and go. Under the smoke, where the good air is. Down by the floor. Down low. Way down low.
That's fantastic, friends. Thank you. You know, when smoke rises and goes up to the top of the room, it can make the smoke alarm beep really loudly. Lucky, have you ever heard a smoke alarm?
I sure have. My parents pushed the button to test it and it is loud. I cover my ears. It goes beep, 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 beep.
Ha 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 ha! Yep, Lucky. A smoke alarm is super loud so we can hear it no matter what we are doing. Even if we are asleep, it is loud to wake us up.
Even if Dad is snoring?
Absolutely. Even if your dad and mom and you are all snoring, the smoke alarm is still loud enough to wake you up. So you know there is smoke and you need to get outside.
My dad snores pretty loud, like this.
I snore pretty loud too, Lucky, but I know that my smoke alarm is loud enough to wake me up. Then I know what to do. And I can tell that you know what to do if there's a fire too. And all our friends here know what to do too. That makes my job as a firefighter easier. It's easy for me to be a helper when everyone is fire smart.
Firefighters sure are cool. I want to be a helper too.
You are a great helper, Lucky. You sure helped me teach some important things about fire and burn safety, and our friends here helped a lot too. Thank you. Well, it's time for me to get back to the fire station, Lucky, so I can be ready to help if anyone else needs it. Have a great day.
Thanks, Firefighter Dave, who is not a robot. You have a great day too.
Thanks, Firefighter Dave.
Hey guys, I'm here for the 3 o'clock fire safety video shoot. Where is everyone?